Hi, welcome to this video in which we are going to see the answers of the Grammar Booster, Unit number 8, exercises 3 and 4 of the Top Notch Fundamentals book. So let's get started. Let's start with exercise number 1. Let's read the instructions. Here says, complete each sentence with there's or there are. Number 1, the example says, there's a movie at noon. Let's continue with number 2. In this case, the correct answer is there's a concert at 2 and a game at 3 o'clock. In this case, we have to use there's because we have singular, a concert. Let's continue with number 3. In the case of number 3, the answer is there's a bank on the corner of Main and 12th Street. In this case, the same as number 1 and 2, we have singular, a bank, so we need to use there's. In the case of number 4, we have there are, because here we have two apartment buildings. In this case, two is plural. We have buildings, so we have to use there are. In the case of number 5, the answer is there are, because here we have bookstores. Bookstores is plural, therefore we have to use there are. Number 6, here we have there's, because here we have a pharmacy. A pharmacy is singular, so we need there's. In the case of number 7, we have there are two dressers. In this case, dressers is plural, so we need to use there are. And finally, number 8, there are 3 elevators. Elevators is plural, so we have to use there are. Well, these are the answers that correspond to exercise number 3. Let's move on to exercise number 4. Here we have the instructions. It says, write questions with is there or are there and use a question mark. Here we have the example, which is number 1, a dance this weekend. So the question is there a dance this weekend? Here we use is there because a dance is singular. Let's continue with number 2. Here we have 3 meetings this week. So the question would be, are there 3 meetings this week? In this case, we use are there because we have plural, 3 meetings. Let's move on to number 3. Here we have a bank nearby. The question would be, is there a bank nearby? Here we have a bank singular, so we have to use is there. What about number 4? How many games this afternoon? So in this case, the question is, how many games are there this afternoon? Here we have to use, in this case, we have a yes and information question, sorry. How many games are there this afternoon? Let's continue with number 5. The same as number 4, we have to use how many pharmacies are there on 3rd Avenue? And finally, number 6, the same. The question would be, how many parties are there this month? Well, these are the answers that correspond to exercise number 4. Thanks so much for watching this video. And if you know of anybody who needs to check these answers, please share the video.